Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best Kamui tips is probably one of the most crucial components for any serious cue sports player. These tips are renowned for their exceptional quality and performance, offering unparalleled control and consistency with every shot. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the right tip can significantly elevate your game, providing the precision and feel needed to master the table. Number 5. Kamui Clear Black Cue Tip, Soft. Today, we're taking a look at the Kamui Clear Black Cue Tip. This is a single tip, designed for precision and control. It's a great choice for players of all levels. This cue tip is made in Japan, ensuring high quality and craftsmanship. The manufacturing process is meticulous, resulting in a tip that performs consistently. You can trust its reliability. The tip features a multiple-layer leather construction. This design enhances the tip's durability and responsiveness. It allows for better cue ball control and spin. A clear layer is incorporated to prevent glue absorption. This feature helps maintain the tip's shape and performance over time. It ensures that the tip remains consistent. This is the soft version of the Kamui Clear Black Cue Tip. It offers excellent feel and feedback. It's ideal for players who prefer a softer tip for enhanced ball control. What we like. This tip features multiple layers of leather for enhanced durability and feel. The clear layer design prevents glue from being absorbed, ensuring consistent performance. If you're looking for a tip that offers a solid hit and maintains its shape over time, you should consider this one. What people say. These are great tips and I trust the Amazon seller to provide real ones, not counterfeit. One problem with any soft tip is that they mushroom right after installation, but cleaning that up after a week or so of play generally helps the tip keep its shape for a long time. The clear version, I use a soft, lasts me over a year with regular maintenance. I am able to control the cue ball far better than my old Elk Master. I never realized how big of a difference a layered tip can make. Number 4. Kamui Clear Black Laminated Pool Cue Tip, Soft, 13mm. This is a new standard in cue tips, designed to optimize your performance. It creates a solid bond to bring out the maximum potential of the tip. You can expect consistent cue performance with every installation. This tip is engineered to deliver reliable results, shot after shot. The shield technology ensures further consistency by limiting the glue absorbed into the bottom layer. This helps maintain the tip's integrity. No sanding is needed for the bottom layer, making installation easy. The flat surface ensures a perfect fit every time. With minimal glue, this tip guarantees a perfectly aligned installation. This design helps achieve the best tip and cue performance. What we like. This tip optimizes performance with a solid bond. It provides consistent cue performance, ensuring a reliable experience. The flat surface makes installation easy. If you are looking for a tip that offers a consistent feel and is easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. Great tip and has been holding up great. Being a soft tip, I was expecting to have to shape it frequently, but it has been holding up better than expected. Very highly recommend this tip. Build quality, exceptional. Design, super sturdy. Functionality, works great. Ease of installation, I have a Musi, and it fit perfectly, with no trimming. Really love the control of this tip. It does cost the same as 20 Elk Master tips. But I really do notice more feel and more ball control. Number 3. Kamui Clear Original Laminated Pool Cue Tip. Introducing the Kamui Clear Tip, designed to set a new standard. This innovative tip creates a stronger bond, unlocking its full potential for enhanced performance. Experience consistent cue performance with every installation. This tip is engineered to deliver reliable results, ensuring you can depend on it every time you play. The design includes a shield to maintain consistency. It limits glue absorption, which helps the tip perform better. The tip's flat surface simplifies installation. No sanding is needed, making it easy to apply and ensuring a perfect fit. Minimal glue ensures perfect alignment. This guarantees the best performance, maximizing the interaction between the tip and your cue. What we like. This tip optimizes performance with a solid bond. It provides consistent cue performance, ensuring a reliable experience. The flat surface makes installation easy. If you are looking for a tip that offers a consistent feel and is easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. They offer consistent contact with the cue ball. I'm amazed at the durability of these tips. Kamui is an excellent brand. I've used others over the years, but the quality and action I get from this brand is excellent. Number 2. Kamui Black Laminated Leather Tip, Soft. This is the new Kamui Black Laminated Tip. It's more durable and plays better than other tips. The soft tip provides better ball control and English. It helps you to master every shot. Kamui Black Leather has high elasticity for a better grip on the cue ball. This feature ensures you have excellent control. The high elasticity of Kamui Black works when you need more spin with less force to control the cue ball. It helps you to achieve the desired spin with ease. Try it and feel the difference. You will find that it is the best tip around the game. What we like. This tip offers better ball control and enhanced English. The high elasticity allows for more spin with less force. If you like to play with a lot of spin and need precise control over the cue ball, you should consider this tip. What people say. I immediately noticed the difference with the Kamui tip. The action I get from the cue ball is incredible. I can draw the cue ball the length of the table with ease now. With the Kamui design, it retains its shape and holds the chalk much longer than any other tip I've used. This cue tip gave me much more control with my shots. Very good for shots with English. Very good quality too. Number 1. Kamui Black Laminated Pool Billiard CUE Tip. This is the Kamui Black tip, designed for ultimate cue ball control. The high elasticity allows you to generate more spin with less effort, giving you greater command of every shot. The Kamui Black tip's elasticity is a key feature. It helps you achieve the spin you need to master the game. This means more control and precision on every play. This tip is specially treated to maintain its elasticity and durability. It performs consistently, even in humid environments, ensuring reliable playability. Kamui Black tips are known for their quality control. This ensures that the tip performs consistently, allowing for reliability on the table under any circumstances. The Kamui Black tip is built to last. It is highly durable and resistant to mushrooming, maintaining its shape and performance over time. This tip is made in Japan. It is a premium product designed for serious players who demand the best in performance and reliability. What we like. This tip is designed for precise cue ball control. The high elasticity of the leather allows for better grip. It is also durable in humid environments. If you play in various conditions and need a tip that maintains its performance, you should consider it. What people say. The Kamui Clear tips are great. I have been using the Kamui Clear Black Soft tip for about a year now and I love it. I have been using Kamui tips for years and they are the best tips I have ever used. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.